What's up, everyone? Today, we're taking our ArcGIS dashboards to the next level with a bit of customization. I'm going to show you how to display your item thumbnails in the table element, just like this dashboard from the ArcGIS Living Atlas team here at Esri Canada. Are you ready to customize? Let's go. In this demo, I'm using a feature layer that lists all of the content from one of my projects. I have a field in here where I've pasted the thumbnail URLs. If you're wondering, how do I get that URL? Check out the GeoSnap titled How to Find Thumbnail URLs in ArcGIS Online Part 1. We'll start editing our dashboard now. Here is my table element. I'm connected to my feature layer and I've added my value field. We're going to update our field to include the thumbnails. Go to the values section, select Enable on Advanced Formatting, and input the following information. Start with a variable name. Here, I've chosen item name _ thumbnail field. Then include the arcade concatenate function. Next is our div container that our thumbnail will be contained in, and we have included this style. Next is our image tag, and below that, we are calling the field in our feature layer that is housing the thumbnail URLs. The data point variable is a way to call the feature layer, and thumbnail is the field. The next section is how we are styling the thumbnail using CSS. We close the container here. And lastly, we return the variable in the display text section. Here's one last look of the arcade expression. And voila, this is our output. And of course, you can customize the images using CSS to your liking and add additional text to your table. I'll get back to finishing off this dashboard now. Thanks for watching.